Well, guys, we're at the shop. We're getting ready for the car show tomorrow.
Butts and BCs.
Guys, it is a Saturday morning. We're headed to get the trailer. Get ready for PICAYUNE takeover. We'll see. Hey, so what are we doing, son? Jameson.
That's nasty. Them dudes in Texas are killing the game.
Oh my god. Is that considered clean and...
Is that a rock in there? Did it.
Tony Panino. Oh, that's what's his name.
I love fucking turbos.
I feel bad for my insurance. I totaled out the trailer.
Well, I already know it. I've been trying to get him since he got the draft.
Did you pictures of that night? I didn't hear about it. Buddy. That white one's pretty sick. I don't.
I was just in the truck. Well, like I was walking down here, made it down there, and then Dante dropped by, hopped over Dante. What? Oh yeah. Got 200 grand right here, boy. Glad Hayden stayed at home. He'd have felt upset.
Yeah, he would have.
Glad Hayden stayed at home.
I can't walk straight, but I can fuck good.
That's what I'm talking about.
Do something cool.
Y'all better not fart that motherfucker.
Why is it leaning to the front?
Right down.
Dude, that's what I need. We get you shoes up.
Yeah, I got one of his steering wheels in my buggy.
So is he still doing this shit?
Ninth grade, maybe.
I caught one on the way.
We just sit there talking.
All DS 18 horn.
Look at the interior.
Goddamn 30-inch wheel. That's what I want to start doing so bad. This is what I want to start doing.
Oh, that's clean. Oh.
That's a lot of work, bro. You don't understand how
That's
much work that is.